So, welcome back and let's talk about the commercial use of Dall-E. Whether you can use the images that you created with Dall-E to sell them on any platform online. So basically, Dall-E allows you to sell your images online. You can see here, subject to content policy and terms. So there are policies and terms, you can read that. But you own the images you create with Dall-E. So basically, anything that you created with Dall-E, you own it, and including the rights to reprint. You can reprint it, you can sell them, and you can use them inside your merchandise. I will show you all of these things later in the course, that how to sell your merchandise. But basically right now, here is the proof that you can basically sell your work that you created with Dall-E, regardless of whether the image was generated with free or paid credit. So if you're using a free credit, the free 50 credits that we get, or you are using the paid credit, you have the right to use your image. You can sell your image, you can reprint it, you can use it in the merchandise. Okay, I'll show you all those things as well, but right now just make sure that there is no copyright issues when selling your Dall-E work, because you own it, because you created it with the help of AI. So that's all about commercial use of Dall-E. Let's jump right into Dall-E and let's learn how to create stunning images.